Reports. Reports are essential tools to help us reflect and record the data processes and the running state of production. KingU provides a built-in report system with functions for data collection, calculation, conversion, statistical analysis, and report printing. You can set the report format and configure the report according to your specifications. There are two types of reports, both real-time and history reports. To set up a real-time data report, create a new picture. Select the T from the toolbox and write in a title. Then, from the toolbox, select the report icon and draw a report into the picture. The report toolbox will open up automatically. Double-click anywhere in the grey area and the Design Report dialog box will pop up. Set the dialog box as follows. And then click OK. To enter static data, select row cells from A1 to J1 and then select Unite from the toolbox. Enter the following text. Using the same method, input the rest of your static text. To insert dynamic tags, combine cells B2 and C2. You can then use the input tag function to search for the correct tag. Repeat this method for the rest of the tags. Once you have set the picture as shown, select File and Save All Pictures, and then enter the view. You can now see the real-time data report. To set up the real-time data report for automatic printing, add a button. You can adjust the screen as shown to make the button more visible. Then to enter the script, double-click and select Key Up. Enter the following script. Once you've entered the appropriate syntax, click OK, OK again, save all the pictures and return to view. Now, when the system is running, all you need to do is select the button to print the real-time data report. To set the real-time data report to manual printing, in the real-time data report, create a new button. Edit the text, and then double-click and select Key Up. Then enter the following syntax. Once you have checked the syntax, click OK, and then OK again. Save all files, and then switch to view. You can now choose to manually print it or automatically print it. To set the real-time data report page layout, create another button in the real-time data report. Edit the text, and then enter the following syntax. Check the syntax and then click OK. Save all pictures and then switch to view. Now, when you click this button, the Page Setup dialog box will open, allowing you to set the page as you wish. Once you've finalised your settings, click OK to close the box. To set up a real-time data report print setup, create another button in the picture. Edit the text, and then enter the following syntax. Check the syntax and then click OK. Save all pictures and switch to view. Now, when you click on this button, Print Preview will pop up, and you can see the information as shown. To save a real-time data report to an appointed folder using the current time as the file name, Create a folder in the My Project folder, calling it Real-Time Data folder. And then go back to Touch Explorer, open the Real-Time Data report, and add a new button. Click OK, and insert the following syntax. Once you've checked the syntax, click OK. Save all pictures and switch to View. You can now select this button to save the real-time data report in the running system. To search for a real-time data report, you have to create a new tag. Set the tag as follows. Once you've checked all the information is correct, select OK, and then create a new picture. Insert a title, and then insert a report using this function key. Then, from the Insert controls, insert a drop list combo box. Double-click in the combo box to open up Properties. Amend the properties as shown and click OK. Then, create a button and change the text to Search for Real-Time Data Report. Click OK. Double-click and enter the syntax. Once you've checked the syntax, click OK. Click OK again. Save all pictures and switch to View. Clicking this button will now allow you to be able to search for real-time data reports. To create a historical data report, go back to Touch Explorer and create a new picture. Create a title and then create a report in the picture. Use the same functions as before to design the table. Once the table is set as shown, create a button in the picture to search for historical data reports. And then enter the following syntax. Check the syntax and then click OK. Save all pictures and switch to View. You can now use this button to search for historical data reports. This dialog box allows you to assess the properties of the reports that you're searching for. For example, the number of cells, heads of rows, heads of column, time properties of the report that you're searching for, so you can select the start and end time, and the tags that you're looking for example, raw oil depth. Click OK, and the report that you're searching for then appears on the screen. To close the report, click OK. It's also possible to develop a 1-minute data report. To do this, create a new picture called 1 minute data report and set the report as shown. Then, from the Project Catalog display zone, select Script, Data Change Script, New, and enter the following syntax. Once you have checked the syntax, click OK. Once you've checked the syntax, click OK. It also enables you to create 1-minute data reports. To do this, create a new picture. Enter into a title and a report. Then edit the properties of the report. And enter in the headings. Once you have set the report as shown, go back to the project catalog display zone. Select Script, then select Data Change Script, and enter the following text. Once you have set the syntax as follows, click OK. The function of the script is to write the value of the tag raw oil depth, catalyst depth, refined oil depth per second to the report automatically. Switch back to the developing menu. Select Save All and switch to View. You can now see the data. The data will be continued to be generated every second. You can change the time parameters at your discretion. KingView also allows you to search for 1-minute data reports. To do this, you have to create a new picture. Enter a title and draw a report box. Set the report box as follows. And then enter the headings. Once you have set the report titles, scroll down to row 33 and enter the following text. Then go back to the project catalog display zone, select Script, Data Change Script, New, and enter the following script. The function of this script is to search the tag raw oil depth, catalyst depth, refined oil depth for 1 minute at 2-second intervals. The time is displayed in the cell of the report 7. Once you've checked the syntax, click OK. Switch back to the development environment, save all pictures, and switch to View. The data will now be entered automatically from the system. After a minute, the data starts to fill into the table. Clicking this button will now allow you to be able to search for real-time data reports.